Hello friends, myself Dr. Kailash Wagh on the behalf of Apoorva Academic. Here I am giving you tips to prepare for Viva Voice. My dear friends, you may be more anxious during the practical exam, but whenever you have a proper approach, this problem will be solved. So tips for the before practical exam. The practical is based on definition, classification, and the concepts. You need not to read whole theory. For example, in sterilization, you have to read the definition, the classification of physical methods, sterilization, then the example of biological control for photoron, for autoclave. There is no point to read theory, mugging up. Just understand the topic and try to find out the reason behind any concept. It is one of the smart study. You want to reproduce topic, concept, classification, definition in or during practical exam. Make a habit of discuss this concept, classification, example with your room partner, friends, and also make a habit to talk yourself in front of mirror. Is all one of the kind of mock practice for practical exam. General appearance in front of exam. You should wear dress code. Dress code should be clean and washed. The apron should be iron. You should wear shoes. Shoes should be polished. Should not wear chappal. You should reach within time and also carry all stationery materials. And most important, don't forget to take hall ticket. Now, tips for during practical exam. Remember, 100% assure you are pass. Provided you talk something in front of the examiner. Then examiner will pass you. Your performance should base on your approach. You should not be more worried about the exam. Come on, yaar, its exam is not a war zone. You should face the examiner with smooth smile. Wish to the examiner, your sitting posture should be proper till end of practical exam. Look into the eyes of examiner that shows your confidence. Always have a positive attitude and always have a belief in yourself because you are doing preparation for the practical for this subject since last 1.5 years, not now. So don't give up situation at any stage. Be cool till end of the practical exam. We are the friend of you. All teachers are friend. We are there to assess you, your knowledge. We are not there to fail you. And be careful. Don't be demotivated by blank face of examiner. Sometimes to confirm, examiner will ask you, are you sure? At this point, don't be confused yourself. Be stuck with your answer. Sometimes to check you, examiner will say you are wrong. No, you are correct. Don't argue with them. Maintain the line between defending and arguing. This is a good example of good manner. Don't interrupt the examiner. Listen the question completely and don't hurry to answer. If you couldn't hear anything, say, sorry, sir. Sorry, ma'am. Can you please repeat it again? If you don't know the answer, don't make answer and story. Don't laugh. Don't say I don't know. Just say I can't recollect. I cannot able to remember. Don't give relevant and half answer. It will not help you give actual answer. For example, if examiner asks what is the pathogenesis of cholera, student answer vomiting and diarrhea. Expected answer at this point is pathogenesis is because of toxin. There is general tendency of student after any question, they are telling short answer. For example, what is the color of gram-positive bacteria? Answer, common answer by student. Sir, violet, are you going to asking or telling to the examiner? Such type of approach irritate the examiner. Example, I already given the example. What is the color of gram-positive bacteria? Common answer is violet. Sir, is not violet. Expected answer is that it's violet. Or gram-positive bacteria are seen in violet color in gram stain. It is good approach. Are you know? Are you the driver of your Viva? Let me tell you how. Elaborate the answer when demanded. Start the answer. The point will come, the examiner will tell you stop. That will show your depth of knowledge. Utter only that word which keeps you on same track. Or you know very well about that word. Something about that word you know very well. And you drive your Viva. For example, questions are clinical application of the gram stain. Expected answer is, sir, gram stain helps in the identification of bacteria and the treatment. And on this word, the Viva will go further. Okay, how the treatment will help, how this gram stain will help in treatment point of view. Then you already know about that. Mention the example wherever is necessary. That example will be the next question for you. That will create a good impact. Don't show your weakness during the practical examination. Don't look here and there. If you don't know the answer, don't do such a abnormal gesture. Look up and down, playing with your nails. Never cry in front of examiner. No use of that. You don't get any extra marks. Smartness plays a role in your performance. How? Sometimes examiner will ask you to pick something, anything from your spot in front of you. So it's your golden opportunity for you. You can pick up simplest thing about that you know very well as compared to the complicated one. There is no point and to impress yourself by become of the complicated one. Try to give full answer if you know. For example, if the examiner asks you, how do you diagnose the tuberculosis? The common answer by the student, sir, sputum collection. Examiner will again ask, how many sputum collection required? Sir, 2. Examiner will again ask, when? Early morning. So, if you know the whole answer, full answer, you directly, straightforward. That will give a good impact in front of examiner. Third, 2 consecutive early morning sputum sample collected for Xenenstain. If patient cannot able to cough out the sputum, induced sputum may be advised. Or in case of children, gastric lavas collected that create good impact. At the end of the examination, Thank examiner with smile and get up from the chair. Place it properly before leaving. Close the door. Of course, winner get extra marks. You will also, if you have depth of knowledge, handling the difficult question, your body language, and finally confidence. So these all tips will help you for your upcoming exam. What is the next from the Apoorva Academic? Here, Apoorva Academic is going to release upcoming video related to tips to perform gram stain, tips to perform Jaden stain, tips to perform stool examination. To like, share, and subscribe our channel. See you soon for this upcoming video. All the best, all the best, and do well in upcoming exam. Thank you so much.